A versioning in LPOne is an alternative way of producing the same product. It can either be an alternative way of how to produce it, which is a versioning of a routing, or an alternative material to produce it with, which is a versioning of a BOM. Versioning can be used for all types of production methods. To start with, go to Settings in LPOne sidebar menu in SAP Business One. Under the General tab here, we can see that the standard base versions of the routings and bill of materials are 0. After this, we move forward to the item master data. Here we can see the general master data of product X0001. Right-click on the header of this window and click on Bill of Materials in the drop-down menu that appears. In this overview, we can see that the material used for this version is aluminum, which is the base version for this product. If we close this window, return back to the general master data of the product, move forward with the arrows and repeat the same procedure, we can see the alternative version of the bill of materials used for this product, which is iron in this example. If you click on the LPOne tab in this window, you can see that this is the BOM version 1 and hence not the base version 0. If you return to the General Master Data and click on the LPOne tab and then click on the yellow arrow next to the routing code, you can see the routings master data for this product. Here we can see the base version 0, which in this example is external coding. If we move forward, we can see the alternative routings master data with version 1, which in this example is internal coding. The next step is to create a production order with the selected versions. In this example, for this specific production order, the selected versions for both the routing and the bill of material is 1. So, the product X0001 will be made in iron and by internal coding for this production order. Consequently, this will help your business to be prepared for unexpected events and adapt to it easily and quickly. Thanks to LPOne.